USD forecast, let's get right into it. So daily time frame, as you can see right there, what am I seeing? So swing high right there, we have a massive fair value gap right there, which was respected. As you can see, no bodies actually went above it, plus wick rejections showing from it. So all in all, good signs that we're rejecting and we are moving bearish or to the downside. So that's that. Then we are showing some wick rejections off here, so maybe this could be a sweep of liquidity and a move up targeting this. But until order flow is disrupted, I'm not changing my bias. So the draw on liquidity still is here for me, hence why I'm bearish. So bearish daily bias, so I'm looking for sells, strong wick rejections, but also a very good target on liquidity. A lot of sell stops below here, and you pretty much have equal lows right there. 1, 2 equal lows. It's a strong magnet for price, and a lot of wick rejections here. So pretty consolidating market, but displacement down is pretty bearish conditions. So I will be looking for we could have a sweep of this liquidity right there, and then a move down. That could be one possibility that I'm looking at. Dropping down to the 15-minute, there's way more things. I mean, there's a buy side liquidity right there, buy side liquidity right there, fair value gaps being respected. So we could actually sweep one of these highs and then actually go down. There's some sort of supply zone here as well. So many areas of interest for sure. I'll be looking for sells out of these areas, or maybe even higher if it does go that high. But yeah, definitely move up. I want the power of 3 to happen, and then I want a sell model to go down. That's the forecast for euro dollar, and yeah, let's see what happens.